If you're negotiating a project with your customer or you would like to give a presentation to your stakeholder, you may find the Share Your Project feature useful. A shared private link gives access to any person who gets it to view the project's Gantt chart together with the details that you want to share. To share your project, let's navigate to the Share Link button. You can click on the Create Link button straight away, or you might like to set some settings. The settings include Description, to identify the link, among others. Applied Filter. When selected, a user on the other end will only be able to see filtered data on the Gantt chart. Password, to provide additional protection for your link. And Snapshot. When selected, a user on the other end will see a static version of the Gantt chart taken at the moment of link creation. When unselected, they will see the current version of the project at any time. Here, you can also manage all your already created links, including link copying, deactivation, and deletion. These simple steps will help you keep your team members and stakeholders updated at any time.